Hey everyone, Creeper Plays Minecraft here. Welcome back to another video. This time you're on Scratch and I just wanted to showcase this game I'm making. It's a clicker game. And although it was working before, I wanted to add another shop slash menu. I thought the bottom right corner where all the menus are was getting a bit cluttered. So before making the new shop I wanted to make, I have made this button. And so maybe with that, I just got it working earlier, but now I want to see if I can get the other things to work. Okay, so where is it? The piece of code is probably in here. It's this code that I want. Other than to go backward 53 layers, I don't know what's up with that. Probably because I copied the code for this shop sprite from the other shop sprites. Okay, this is gonna be a control. I'm gonna click this, Control C, and put it into each of the buttons. And right now the code isn't activated, so it'll be nothing's gonna happen. So every time I should have the code copy pasted, and so I skipped the tutorial because I added a tutorial into this thing. Even though clicker games are pretty basic, I just didn't know what else to add. Really, you can skip it if you want. You can also replay the tutorial if you really needed to. Huh? Where's the stick figure? I see. He's hidden. I'm pretty sure he's hidden behind because of the new sprites that have been added by this little modification. I need to remember to. Oh, I got rid of the go back layers thing. So because of that, the stick figure will just be gone. Up the order. It's always going to be going to front, then going backwards a certain amount, which was 53. Now will the tutorial work? Okay, there it is. You'll replay the whole tutorial. And I need to remember to add a certain piece of code at the, okay, all shops. And if I, that's the problem. The code still works. So transporting the buttons is quite hard. Okay, so now I'm just gonna have to disconnect all the buttons, aren't I? Uh, oh no, I just realized. The button will disappear once you're in that menu. So you have like no way of getting out of it. Oh no. That's a problem, and I'm gonna have to fix that. So give first that's the cheats menu that only appears to certain people. Um, all shops. Yep, that's the menu, and then I'm gonna have to copy the. I'm gonna have to go to the shop 6, also known as cheats menu, and copy this specific piece of code. Oh, because that's gonna collide with the. Okay, this is gonna take a lot of tedious coding, but I think I know what I can do here. Okay, so go to the cheats button. Here it is. Good, so it's incredibly... Okay, so I think the code for this would be if and... Yeah, okay, I'm gonna need an and statement. One of these, dupe this. Oops. And then I'm gonna put cheats. No, I'll say false. If both of these are on, then the button can go away. This is gonna be difficult. This is gonna be very, very hard. Okay, removing code, because it will still appear in the same place. So now I'm gonna have to make a duplicate of the cheats button. Yep. This one will appear with its certain menu, with its specific menu. Oh, this is hard. Cheats button. Yes, okay. So this will appear with a certain menu. This is the one that's gonna appear with the all shops. So we're just gonna do that. Now that's the one that'll appear with all shops. With all shops. The duplicated cheat button, which I'll give a bigger size, which I'll make it bigger. For now, I'm going to disable this piece of code so that I can open all shops and I'm gonna have to disable more code. Okay, now this button is safe to transport to the all shops menu since most of its code won't be working or doing anything. Now I can put its code back. Now it'll only appear with all shops. The first cheats button is only gonna appear with its respective menu. Where is that? If you want to know what all these variables are, achievement menu that doesn't work anymore. Black hole multiplier because that's a shop item you can buy. Black hole bomb multiplier, cheats. Oh, that's what I was looking for. Nice. That's the one I was looking for. And then the same variable. Click cheats. So now that is gone. If I go to the cheats menu, there it is. And also the cursor shop for some reason. Did I turn this one off? Did I cancel this one's code out? That's the cursor shop variant of it. But first I'm going to duplicate this. Where's it? There it is. You know, this game didn't always look like this. There's another time in the game where like all the gameplay was still the same, but all the sprites and things look different, but most of them anyway. And then I changed most of them so it looks better. Okay, so this is the all shops variant. Set its size to 100. There we go. That's correct. Gonna cut that off. Oops, cut that off. Um, cut this off. Actually, okay. Okay. So with this, all shops. I'm just gonna save. Now I can safely transport the cars to shop without it doing anything. It'll go here, I guess. Actually, this is gonna look really suspicious because the cheats menu only appears if you have a certain for certain people. That's when the cheats menu appears. So I'm gonna have to move the cheats menu. Where's the? I'm gonna have to use the. Which one is this one? This is the original one. Move down, get the other cheats menu. Stop this. Disconnect this. Open all shops. Put it all the way down here so it doesn't look suspicious. Turn this back on. Reconnect this. Turn off all shops. Okay, back to the cursor button. The cursor shop button doesn't do much of anything at the moment. Is it in the right place? No, I'm actually gonna put the it can go there. Um all shops, yep, I can turn that back on. Connect this again. And that's clicked all together. Let's go to the next one. The stats menu. Oh wait, I haven't gotten this one up and functioning because it just appears with all shops and I haven't even turned its functions on yet. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Yes, turn that on. And why did this turn on? Yes, those two appear. The menu stops working. What has just happened? Okay, it's a little glitchy. There we go. I'm also gonna need the all shops button to. Yeah, it can stay there for now. You know what? Fine. And the achievements. Let's give it a quick test. Oh yeah, I just realized I'm gonna get locked into. If I buy something from the regular shop, I'm gonna get locked into it. Also, this isn't important. So originally, I saw a tutorial about making things jump out of the crystal like that. If I like, see, that just jumped out. And then I forgot about it, and then I barely remember anything, and then I just like did what I remembered, and it actually worked out. Except one of the clones disappears. If you like say this, it'll fall down, but it'll disappear if I spawn another one. Alright, back to making shops work. Which one should I do next? Let's do the normal shop because it's in the corner. Here it is. Duplicate. This is the version I will be completely disabling. Oh, wait, no. Okay. This is the version I'll be completely disabling so that I can safely. Oh, yeah, I have to make this one bigger. So that I can transport it safely to where it's supposed to be. $103, maybe 105. Yeah, it doesn't seem very lined up with the cursor shop. Duplicate. 106, okay. There we go. And now they're perfectly lined up. The next shop button can be transported. Actually, nope, I have to go back to the first shop button and... Oh yeah, I also have to re-enable the other one. Anyway, this is gonna go back to... This is gonna be only existing if the basic shop is on. Shop. Now it's gone. Back to this one. Gotta re-enable everything. Now that is a functioning. What? There we go. The next one is the... Okay, I'm gonna drag the all shops button down here now. Because now I still have access to all of those. The reason I didn't do it before is because the regular shop button was like in the corner, be a lot harder to grab than the others. Next one is the achievements menu. Sorry about that. Achievements. Oops. As usual, not that. Original achievements button. Actually, I have a plan. Once I'm done putting the buttons that appear when you're inside of their shop, they usually have, I'm gonna put them all on top of each other so they're all neatly in the corner where the regular shop button is. So but first I need to do this right. Okay, so first duplicate it, and now we have a duplicate all the way down here. Disable that that script. 100. Show all shops. Put it right there at Y106, Y level 106, and it needs to be offset more. Let's try 85. Needs to be further to the right away from. So 85, negative 46. You know, they don't have to be the same distance apart. In fact, I'm actually going to move the achievements button all the way over here and then put it at Y106 again. And then the shop button, I'm going to put it at X0. Now it's neat. Okay. Okay. Next, I'm going to go back to the achievement when it's in the right place. Enable everything and activate this one for the first time. Back to all shops. Next one. the stats menu. I wonder what this is. Oh, right. I remember what this is for now. Do I? Okay, never mind. Anyway, back to the stats menu. Okay. Another shop button. Duplicate this. Don't enable that yet. Put that away. Okay, so this one is at, okay, so the cursor shop button, X negative 178. So this one is off by 2 pixels. There we go. And then now I go back to the other shop button, and the other stats button. And then also this is mysterious force of the universe. Couldn't be bothered. Some of them I just couldn't be bothered to type it in, so I just mysterious force of the universe. Except I forgot to put it in capitals. Nuke multiplier. Didn't remember what that's supposed to be. Pickaxe multiplier, portal question mark, priesthood shop, which I renamed to the special shop, but didn't rename the variable for some reason. But anyway, come on. And now that disappeared as well. Didn't I already do the achievements menu? Oh, I forgot to just, okay, functions. Achievements menu, I just have to, why did that make the cheats menu button appear? Why does clicking that make the cheats menu button appear? Okay, it's a bit glitchy now. There it is, achievements, that disappears, achievements, that disappears. Have to reset it because that got glitchy. And there's only one shop left to do. The special shop, where you can buy multipliers for things. First thing to do, first order of business, duplicate it. Set its size up. Now that it's duplicated, set its size up, and this is not completely disabled. What? It just appeared wrong. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Did I not disable the, oh, I didn't disable the duplicate. I was grabbing the wrong one. And I couldn't help but notice I, 2 layers. Perfect. High-tech drones. Cost 7 dark crystals, 1.5 multiplied to any drone you buy, which is only after. Like, if I bought a drone and then got the upgrade, that drone I already bought wouldn't receive the upgrade, unfortunately. Renewable energy. I need to do something about this. Things like the. Okay, so it's specifically the grinding pickaxes upgrade and the car battery, which I need to fix because these. I can't be bothered. Actually, I have to because it makes the game look better. Oops, okay. What's going on? Clicking it wrong? Go to. Nope. Go backward. How many layers? Like 3. Let's start by duplicating 3 and putting it in here. The car battery is still being annoying. It's not even the grinding pickaxe upgrade, it's just the dynamite and the car battery. And I don't even have to do it for the dynamite, it's just the car battery that's being annoying. So car battery needs to go back, let's say 10 layers. Well, that's a lot. 20 layers. 50 layers. Finally! Okay, now that that's fixed, go back to all shops. Special shop. This is completely disabled, and I will put it at X0. And the same exact Y level as the stats menu next to it. Y42, Y level 42, that is barely not where it should be. And now, we are missing a shop. I am out of shops. That's gonna be the spot for the new one I'm making. But for now, grab the original button and switch this out to only work for the special shop. There's so many options in the special shop, I had to add pages and stuff. There, now they are all done. There's also the all shops button, which I want it to disappear when you're inside of another menu. But that's going to. Oh yeah, I forgot to re-enable the thing. Okay, never mind. Which one of the buttons, it was the cursor shop, right? That appears right over there. I want that one. I'm gonna remember the position. 180, negative 152. 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 180, 180, negative 152. 180, that's a long list. 180, negative 152. 180, negative 152. I now realized I was using the all shop and not the cursor shops one. Let's have a quick check on that. 66, negative 164. 66, negative 164. 66, negative 164. 66, negative 164. There we go. And now let's check the all shops menu multiple times. Cursor shop, good. Regular shop, good. Achievements shop, I mean not shop, achievements. I need to start calling it all menus because some of these aren't shops. There are only 3 shops here. I forgot to re-enable stats. And then the cheats, which I need to move the menu back more layers. About next task, make sure every menu works. Go backward 56 layers, that's not working either. 60 layers. There we go. Check every menu. Doesn't have any layering problems. Nope, everything is rateable there. Achievements, all good. Now the next menu I would like to add is the gear menu. Oh, this is glitching again. Button 3 is sort of phasing in and out of existence. 70 layers might fix the problem. Yes. Is this having problems? Yes, it is. So let's click on this. Please work. There we go. Dark matter explosion. Blah blah. Anyway. Go backward. Let's say 60 layers. Hopefully this doesn't break the entire game. Finally, it works. And then let me just show you around a bit. In the special shop, this is how you beat the game. Dimensional Portal costs 25 dark crystals. Very expensive. Unlocks the Dark Realm. What is the Dark Realm, you ask? Well, it's required to do this. The Ultimate Trophy costs 30 dark crystals. Beat the game. Requires Dark Realm. And that is the game. Now it's time to make the new menu. This is gonna be painful to make because it's just gonna take forever. Multiply or duplicate really. Add another menu to all of these. This is not gonna be good. Okay, so this is gonna be the one that appears in the All Shops menu. Mostly identical. Make a variable. What is the variable called? Gear shop. Alright. So start out. This is what I need to do. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna have to do. Gear shop. Put it in there. Get a set thing here, set block. Get one of those. Put in the prestige slash special shop. Hmm. Alright, so we're gonna have to change this. Gear shop. Gear shop. Gear shop. Also needs to be gear shop. Okay, show the button. Alright, it still has this. Okay, apparently this works and is incredibly glitchy. Achievements. Perfectly lined up. And now we have to make it look not like the special shop button, because that'll be confusing. So my plan for the gear shop is to sell things like, for example, X-ray glasses. See all achievements with question marks. Yeah, that's my plan. Let's play the game. Actually, I'll put gameplay things at the end. Alright, so, okay, let's make this look like a gear shop. First of all, delete this dark crystal. Go into this and replace it with red gear. Yeah, that was really it. Maybe a bit of moving stuff around. And then I've got the gear shop. All I need to do is put a small picture next to it to show what kind of stuff is in it. But the problem is I don't have any sprites that I'd be using in the gear shop. I don't even know what the X-ray glasses are gonna look like. I'll deal with that later. The problem is X-ray glasses aren't actually a thing that exists. So, do they exist? Oh well. Well, if they do exist, I don't know what they look like. So this is gonna be hard. Hmm. Okay. It's still disabled. I guess I can enable it now. I'm gonna have to make a duplicate that appears when the gear shop is open. Except there is no gear shop. There we go. Okay, this red one, I'm gonna delete it. Gear shop. Here it is. Set up and up it goes. And then get this, turn it red. There it is, the gear shop. Anyway, this is the version that's supposed to be size 60. If I remember where the other buttons were positioned. Oh, I was looking at this now. That's not good. But anyway, this button version is supposed to be the one that says 60. I forgot to do that before. Not 160. Where is this? Oh right, that's the dupe version. 66 negative 164. There we go. Snap it down there. This is the version that will only appear if the gear shop itself is active. And also the button seems to be broken. If what? The gear shop button just disables the all shops. And this exists for some reason and it toggles somehow. Okay, something is wrong with the button. Probably because other shops don't close gear shops and things because I haven't added that in yet, so oops. Oh no, I've just reset the world record, haven't I? Oh no. Not the world record. Portal. Actually, I don't think I think I'll have to make a part 2 to this and then put gameplay stuff in there after I'm done with the coding. Anyway, what was I gonna do again? Oh yeah, I have to add the gear shop in the. Okay, but that is where I'm gonna end it for this scratch video. Bye.